Welcome to Dermat Vet. Dear friends, again a natural surrounding. We are in the midst of nature. Today we are on a sea beach. Beautiful afternoon, and today we are with the best vet of India. My mentor, the person who mentored Dermat Vet, Dr. Milind Hatekar. He is the chief veterinarian of Gulf Coast Veterinary Specialty in Qatar. He has traveled all over the world and my inspiration. And today what is the topic? Topic is canine atopic dermatitis. So dear friends, we have been watching in our episodes that we keep trying various medications and various drugs to cure this. It is very common, but still, in spite of giving this medication, we don't succeed in our efforts. Today we are going to talk about the super specialty medications in atopic dermatitis and how can Indian vets get these medicines in our country so that our pets do not suffer from these allergic conditions. So welcome Dr. Milind. Welcome to this session.
Thank you, Shashank.
Yeah.
Hi, guys. So we are in a very scenic atmosphere, and I had an opportunity with Dr. Shashank, who is trying to do the best in dermatology right now in India. It's like a new chapter which is opened up, and I feel that a lot of youngsters to come together and start a society or maybe a YouTube channel together, and then help each other discuss about the cases, which is very important. I'm basically a surgeon, but when I want to do a surgery in an animal who's got a dermatological conditions, first thing is like I don't want any skin issues when I do a surgery or when I cut open a dog or a cat. The problem is that if you have a skin infection, the bacteria will travel through your incision and create a lot of problems. So ideally, you have to first do like a course of antibiotic, identify what is the skin problem like. Most of the time, people are giving wrong food, and that's the time your dogs are getting allergic dermatitis. The skin starts oozing out, and it's also all a mess. And in a scenario like this, it's very difficult to understand the client that what are we dealing with now. He says that my dog needs to go in surgery, but my concern being a surgeon is the dermatological problem. I need to attend that first. If I'm doing orthopedic surgery and this dog has got a skin infection, my surgery will fail because my implants are going to fail, because the bacteria will go and travel to my site of incision and infect my implant. So atopic dermatitis is it's a combination of many diseases. In fact, many diseases or many conditions, you can say. It can be food related, it can be bacteria, it can be immune mediated disease. So it's like a combination of atopic dermatitis is like a very broad term and with various causes. So I was talking to Dr. Shashank that he focuses more on dermatology because I got a chance to work with Oliver Terry, and when I saw how things are working, he went to NC State, and thanks to Dr. KG Umesh, who is a fantastic dermatologist of the country, and these are the pioneers which are trying to do something in dermatology and get the most recent advances in dermatology. So to cut short, if your dog is allergic, I'll advise you to do allergy testing first, because then you know what type of right food you have to give to your dog or a cat, because identification of the allergy is very important. Your dog can be allergic to 10 different things, and then you can go in for an elimination diet trial, which always helps. And then once you do an elimination diet trial, it should be minimum like 1 month or 2 months, and then once you do the elimination diet trial, you are able to identify that giving certain type of protein triggers my dog's allergies. So most of the time, 80% of time I have found that dogs are allergic to chicken, they are allergic to wheat, they can be allergic to storage mites, like dust mites, what can be, if you have like a old couch or an old mattress or an old carpet. They just harbor in that. So you have to get rid of all these things. And these conditions, what is your opinion about the chronic cases of the dermat cases, what they come? They're very, very chronic. And
they are very chronic, and it reoccurs.
And
after few months it reoccurs because the allergens which are there, we don't want, most of the clients, they don't treat the allergens, they try to treat the patient. But we have to eliminate the allergens which are responsible for these conditions.
Right, rightly said. So if you eliminate the cause which is creating this problem, you have to understand that, and most of the clients will never listen. So being a vet, you have to be very firm about that, and you have to educate every single client. Now I'm in 30 years of practice, and I see the same type of client what I used to see 30 years back. So the client's mentality will never change, and you are the person as a vet has to bring that option or perspective in the client's mind that I want to educate my clients, which is client education is very, very important. And I feel whenever you see a client, just don't go for just vaccination or something, and always try to give something additional to your client, because that's going to help your practice grow up. Because when the client goes up, he understands that this vet has given me something extra than other vet would have given. A piece of advice, a thing which other vets didn't look at it, or try to spend more time with the client, very important, and your history should be very, very important. So coming back to atopic dermatitis, I use very modern drugs right now. I use Apoquel, which is better than cyclosporine. My own dog is atopic dog, and I use Apoquel, which is a fantastic drug for allergies. Cytopoint is amazing, but expensive. So these drugs are not available right now in India, but in future we will definitely try to get it. But if you want, we can order it for you. Dr. Shashank can order it for you and make it available in India. So these are the big breakthroughs. Cyclosporine is a very decade-old drug right now, and it has its own side effect. And eventually, people are weaning off cyclosporine abroad. The people who are specialists, they nowadays not many people advise cyclosporine. So, but still in India now it's a wave of cyclosporine. Like a lot of people are using cyclosporine. You can also go in for a hypoallergen serum, because once you send your blood for allergy testing, they can also identify the allergens and make a hypoimmune serum for your dog or a cat, and it works fabulous.
Yeah,
and
good.
Try to neuter your dogs and cats, because most of the dogs who have got a single testicle will have this skin issues which are really bad. So advise your client to neuter the dog, very important. If a skin is not being treated, go in for test the thyroid, which is very important.
Yeah.
And one more thing, like if your dog is scratching, don't use human antihistaminics, because they don't really work. And if you just try on Apoquel, it's very, very nice and it works fantastic. But like Avil, Cetirizine are all, they have a placebo effect, I feel.
Yeah.
They don't work that well. And stop using steroid. If you want to use steroid, be very wise in using steroids, because they have their own side effects. So thank you.
Yeah. Yes,
Thank you
doctor,
very much.
one more thing I would like to ask you, that Apoquel and Cytopoint and Atopica. See, we have been using many drugs like ketoconazole and cyclosporine and sometimes prednisolone to cure this atopic dermatitis. But out of this, what do you think
I feel
is the best line of treatment?
The ketoconazole reduces the dose of cyclosporine,
Okay.
because it acts on the cytochrome C30, I think. So I'm not very sure it's C30 or C38, but it acts on the mitochondrial level and reduces the dose of cyclosporine to half. So giving ketoconazole is you're not targeting the fungus infection, but you're reducing the dose of cyclosporine with the using of ketoconazole. But then you have to regularly do a liver function test and a kidney function test to understand that.
And Apoquel and Cytopoint, where can we get this in India? Because these are very new drugs which
There
are
are new
available
drugs,
for
but
this, yeah.
if you want
And
to,
what is the cost of treatment? Whether
it's very expensive. It's
Yeah.
like one tablet of Apoquel for 16 mg tablet would cost you like about 320 rupees or something.
and
like
what is
that
the dosing
in
and
India.
for how many weeks we have to continue this?
Oh, you have to. Atopic dermatitis is manageable. It's not treatable. So it's a more management thing. Like you put the dog on treatment for a long-term treatment, and when you do it like continuous of Apoquel or cyclosporine, and once the symptoms go down, you reduce the dose, and when the symptom comes up, then you up your Apoquel. Cytopoint is great drug,
Yeah.
but still expensive. But then you have to
Which
use
is
it
more cheaper, Apoquel or
more
Cytopoint?
both are expensive.
Okay.
Right now, there is one company who's trying to make it, but they have some legal issues with the what do you call with the FDA, so they're not able to copy the drug yet
Yes,
in India.
sure.
But eventually, it will happen when the generic comes in. I think it will change.
Because we want more. Most of my 80% clients are suffering from the same infection, and it reoccurs. So we want.
Yeah, but the most of the clients go wrong. They feel that the dog is doing pretty well. I'm treating one husky in Qatar, and the dog was doing pretty well without any drugs. They just did the elimination diet trial, but the husband is so adamant in giving treats to their dogs, and the moment he gives a treat, it triggers up, and then wife calls me up. Doc, the allergy is back. I said, your husband has screwed it up.
Yes, sure.
So that's it. So
it is all management thing.
Listen to vets what they tell. It should be like a hardcore listening at like don't introduce allergens. If your dog or cat is allergic, just don't give that allergen to him.
So it was a really informative session for all of us. See, I was thinking since so many months that Dr. Hatekar should come to our session, and this is called as Dermat Talk. This is the first Dermat Talk on dermatology on YouTube, and I think it is very, very informative to all of you. So consider subscribing this channel, and please share this with your pet parents and pet friends. Thank you, Dr. Milind Hatekar, to come to this platform so that whole world can watch you.
Thank you very much.
And this scenic surrounding, I am very much thankful to all of you. Please consider subscribing DermatVet, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you keep getting notifications from DermatVet.